And we begin with the latest on Donald Trump's COVID-19 diagnosis. His medical team gave an update on his condition earlier in the day, but that was followed soon after with a correction on the timing of the U.S. president's diagnosis. CBC's Stephen D'Souza has more.
It's important to note the president's been fever-free for over 24 hours.
The day started innocently enough with a picture of a president in good spirits.
The team and I are extremely happy with the progress the president has made. Thursday, he had a mild cough and some nasal congestion and fatigue, all of which are now resolving and improving.
But questions and inconsistencies immediately began to emerge.
He's not on oxygen right now, that's right.
President's doctor evasive when asked if Trump was on supplemental oxygen. Reports suggest he was on Friday, prompting his move to hospital.
Just 72 hours into the diagnosis now.
Then the timeline. According to the doctor, that would mean Trump was positive on Wednesday, before he went to a rally in Minnesota, before a fundraiser Thursday night. The doctor would later say he misspoke, that Trump was on day 3 and was diagnosed Thursday evening.
Go off the record with some of y'all and get away from the camera. Sure. Okay.
But that wasn't even the most bizarre development. Moments after the doctors painted a rosy picture of Trump's health, a source believed to be White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows said the president's vitals over the last 24 hours were very concerning, and they were still not on a clear path to recovery, essentially undercutting everything the doctors had just said.
I think that it's really concerning if the president knew he happened to be positive for coronavirus and then went out on public events. That would be blatantly disrespectful to other people. It would be dangerous to other people, and quite frankly is unacceptable.
Today, news also emerged that New Jersey Governor Chris Christie, who worked closely with Trump to prepare for last week's debate, also tested positive, joining a long list of those who've been in close contact with Trump in recent days that are now testing positive. And while Trump's doctors say things are looking up, others say it's too early to tell.
Around day 9 and 10 are really the most severe days. So, even if the president were doing fine right now, I wouldn't say he's out of the woods and we're on a clear path to recovery. It's much too soon to say that.
Setting up a nervous next few days in which the president's health and the information coming from the White House will be closely analyzed. Stephen D'Souza, CBC News, New York.